Hello and welcome to Genesis Training. This is your trainer Kaustav. This is the part 2 of logarithms. Let's get started with the questions. We have log 10 base 10. Log base 10 of 10 is nothing but 1 because there is a property that log x base x is 1 because x power 1 is nothing but x. Plus log base 10 of 100. 10 power, all you have to do is you have to ask yourself 10 power what is equal to 100. For example, 10 power what is equal to 10? Obviously 1. 10 power what equals 100? 2. 10 power what equals 1000? 3. 10 power what equals 10,000? 4. 10 power what equals 1 lakh? 5. So all you have to do is this plus this plus this plus this plus this, that is equal to 15. Answer is A. Just like that. The question seems very difficult, but it is not. Let's move on. The value of log base 2 of 1 by 64 is what? So basically what we need to find out is 2 power x equals 1 by 64. That is nothing but 1 by 2 power 6 because 64 is 2 power 6. That is nothing but 2 power minus 6. Minus because it is a reciprocal. So obviously 2 power or x power minus 1 equals 1 by x. The same thing is applied over here. So obviously x is equal to minus 6 because the base value is same. Answer is B. Let's move on. Question number 3. If log 123, okay, so we have log of 125 is nothing but 5 cube. It's always better to convert everything into their base value into their prime factorization methods. That way it gets very simple. Log of 5. So this is nothing but 3 log 5 divided by log 5. So log 5 cancelled. The answer is 3. That's it. Let's move on. Question number 4. Log base x of 0.1 equals minus 1 by 3. Then value of x is what? This basically translates to x to the power minus 1 by 3 equals 0.1. X to the power minus 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 by x to the power 1 by 3. That is equal to 1 by cube root of x. That is equal to 0.1. So if at all we want to find x, we need to find the cube of everything. Alright, so if at all you cube everything, what do you get? This is nothing but 1 by 10. If you cube everything, you will get 1 by x because cube root and cube cancel out each other. This is equal to 1 by 1000. This means obviously that x equals 1000. That's it. The answer is C. So moral of the story is we need to simplify everything. There should be no minus signs in the power and no fractions in the power and no decimal signs over here. Always remember fractions are much better than decimals. Question number 5 is this. So we have log of base 8 of x into 1 by 6. This is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So this basically means that 8 to the power 1 by 3 equals x into 1 by 6. This also means that cube root of, this will be 8. 8 power 1 by 3 equals x into 1 by 6. So this will be cube root of 8 equals x by 6. Now what is cube root of 8? Cube root of 8 is obviously 2 into 6 equals x. So x equals 12. Answer is A. Let's move on. Question number 6. If log of x equals this plus this minus this, then the value of x will be what? Okay, let's do it. We have log of x equals log of 3 plus 2 log 2 is nothing but log 2 power 2 minus log of x power 3 by 4. So if you solve this, what do you get? You get log of 3 into 2 power 2 divided by, what is 16 power 3 by 4? Let's do that. 16 power 3 by 4. That is nothing but, 16 is nothing but 2 power 4 to the power 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 get cancelled. This is equal to 2 cube, that is equal to 8. So keeping it as 2 cube would be much better than keeping it at 8. So 2 square and 2 cube gone. This is nothing but log of 3 by 2. So log of x is log of 3 by 2. That obviously means that x equals 3 by 2. Answer is C. That's it. So when in doubt, you have to expand. Remember that. Question number 7. It is given that log of base 64x equals 2 by 6. Then the value of x will be what? Okay. So this basically means that 64 to the power 2 by 6 equals x. We have to find the value of x. Very, very simple. 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. And this whole to the power 2 by 6. So 6 and 6 get cancelled. We have 2 power 2. That is equal to 4. Answer is Bravo. That's it. Let's move on. What will be the value of log base 3 of 1 by 9 and this one? Okay. We have log base 3 of 1 by 9. That is nothing but 3 to the power minus 2. Okay, 1 by 9, the power has to be negative, and 9 is nothing but 3 square, plus log of base 9, 81 is nothing but 9 square. So we have minus 2 over here, plus 2 over here, that is equal to 0. So this was all for this video. Thank you so much.